This is an optional algebra review, so if you can look at the first 4 exercises in chapter 2 and do them, no worries, then go ahead and do them. You don't need to bother watching the video. If you need a refresher, here it is. So when you're adding and subtracting algebraic terms, you need to check first, are they like terms? In our first example, 5a plus 2a, the a's are like terms, so the answer for 5a plus 7a, 5a plus 2a is 7a. Our second question, they're again all like terms because they're all b squareds. So we should end up with 10b squared. In our third example, they're not all like terms. So the first thing you need to do is decide which of these are the same. Hopefully you'll be able to tell me that the x cubed and the 2x cubed are like terms, and that gives me 3x cubed. And then 2x squared minus 3x squared is minus x squared. Okay, now when we're multiplying and dividing, we don't have to worry about like terms. All we need to do is first consider the coefficients. 3 times 2 is 6. Then do each of the letters. A times a is a squared, and then multiplied by the b, we get 6a squared b. Same with the next question. Look at the coefficients first. We've got a negative. 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. Then we've got an x. Then you've got to look, how many do we have? Well, this is an x cubed, and then another 2 x's on their own. All up we end up with x to the power of 5. And then the y, which is squared. Okay, so when we're dividing, same deal. Look at the coefficients first. We've got a 5, leaves me with 5. M cubed divided by m squared. So when we're dividing, the index laws tell us that we subtract the powers. That leaves me with m and then n squared. Now the index laws are great when the terms are simple, but if things start to get a little bit complicated like they do in the next one, then using the fraction form can help, because then all we have to do is cancel out. So when we do that, common factor into 10 and 15 is 5. That leaves me with 2 and 3. Then looking at the a's, there's 7 on top and 2 on bottom. So that's going to leave me with 5. B's, we've got 5 on top and 6 down the bottom, so we can cancel out 5 of them, leaving me with 1. C's, there's 3 on top and 1 on bottom, cancel out and leave me with 2. Then you tidy up, so that leaves me with 2a to the power of 5c squared all over 3b. The last thing we need to look at is expanding brackets. So whatever's in front of the brackets multiplies everything inside your brackets. So 3 outside of x plus 7 becomes 3x plus 21. Same thing if it's an algebraic term in front. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 4 is minus 4x. Now, even when things get complicated, it's still that step-by-step process. So, 4a squared times 3a cubed. 4 times 3 is 12. A, and then how many? We've got 2 and 3, so that leaves me with 5. Then it's minus, because this is minus. And now we need to multiply 4a squared by minus 2b. So 4 times 2 is 8, a squared b. As long as you take it one step at a time, you'll be able to get through this okay. That's what you need to be able to do the first 4 exercises. Good luck.